We're back at it.
Welcome to 3D Accuracy, where I'll talk about 3D printing, 3D product design, and 3D injection and die-cast mold design.
It's wonderful today. Look at this. Just a nice day to work. Today, what I'm going to do is get more floor planks down. Today and tomorrow, I want to finish this floor. I want to get these planks that don't need to be cut down as quickly as I can, because the ones that do need to be cut take time. I don't think I'll get all of it done. I've got down this side and across the back here. I don't think I'll get all of that done because there's a lot of cutting and fitting and measuring. 10:30 p.m. Got quite a bit done. Let me show you what I've accomplished. Got down the side wall today, just like I wanted to do. Got all the long planks done and glued down, and I even cut a bunch. So I got a couple little spots. I got to finish this little corner here, got to finish this little corner here, this little corner here by the light, and in this corner here. And then it's just a matter of patching in all the little spacer pieces. When that's finished, then the floor's completely done. Hooray! Quite a big job. I didn't expect it to go quite so long, but a lot of little pieces, a lot of figuring out how to do it. I've never laid a floor like this before, so you learn as you go, you know, which is all right. You use the knowledge someplace else at some point. I hope so. I hate to think I did all this for nothing. Although I got a cool floor out of it, don't you think? So, what are we going to try to get done for today? Let me show you. I have the planks along the back here to cut and fit and glue down, and in this little corner here where the doorway is. And I've got those couple little areas to finish along this side wall, which I'm going to do first to get this done, get that corner done, get these little triangular shaped areas done. So I'll get this side done, and then I'll start working in this area. I have the side of the shop and the front of the shop by the roll-up door finished. Take a look at this. Well, I have the entire side finished now. All along the wall, all those little triangular shaped areas, got those all fixed. Got that completed, and the corner completed. Got all the little spacer. This part is all done, with the exception of these two planks that go under the roll-up door guides that I have to move those up, cut them, take them off, cut them, and then give me room to push the planks underneath there. So it's almost at the end. I have like one more day out here. Zip, zip down this back wall and in that corner by the door. And that's it. Then I'm finished laying floor panel. Here we are. It's actually the day after the next day. Yesterday I didn't have time to get back out here. I had some quotes to do and take care of some things for customers, and ended up getting pretty late in the day, and I decided, let's take a rest. I don't need to be on the floor again today. So I pushed it off until today, the day after the next day. So anyway, let me show you what's going on here today. Hopefully you were going to finish the floor. Take a look at this. Let me show you. Well, actually, I'd already started. Got a couple of pieces in here around the corner, and then I remembered, oh yeah, have to take some video of this before I get too far along. So anyway, what I want to do today is finish out this corner area. I'm working in this direction, then I have to lay those planks in this direction, then I'll have another couple going in this direction up here, fit into the corner, and then once this area here is completely done, then I'll go back to this spot and I'll start laying these down the line. I have to measure and cut all of these guys, and once I get into the corner, then hooray, the whole shop will be finished. The floor will be completely finished, with the exception of those 2 planks up in front that need to go underneath the guide tracks for the roll-up doors. Project for today though is to get this floor finished. So back to work, I'm gonna get at it, and then I'll show you a video of what it looks like. Well, another late evening, a little bit after 11 p.m. I don't know how that always happens. Anyway, the important thing is I got the floor done. Hooray! It's all finished. With the exception of I still have to wash all the sticky off the floor in the places that I've laid planks the last couple days. But that's a minor thing compared to putting all the planks down and fitting them and cutting them and So let me show you what it looks like. There we go. The back of the shop, all done. All the planks down, everything fit, everything glued down tight, or as tight as it's going to stay for right now. Everything down the side is done, so I have to wash all the sticky off of here. I have to wash all the sticky off of this area, and I have to wash all the sticky off and up here by the lift door, the roll-up door. I got to wash all this yet too, because I haven't done that since I laid those planks the other day. But looking much, much nicer. Looking much nicer. I'm glad. I like the pattern. It turned out well. This is the first time I've ever laid a floor like this. So I learned a little bit as I went, which is good. I discovered that laying the planks out in a section of 3, measuring, marking 3 at a time, and then cutting 3 and then putting them in goes much faster than measuring and cutting 1 and then putting it in and then measuring and cutting and putting the next one. So that seemed to work better. It sped things up a little bit once I discovered that. And that happened when I was doing the front underneath the roll-up door here along this edge. I was laying 3 planks across at a time and then scribing a line with the yardstick across 3 planks and then cutting 3 planks and dropping them in position. And I thought, oh, that goes a little quicker. I like that idea. And so I did that in the back here also, and it does. It goes a little faster. And then once I get all the glue cleaned up, then I got to clean up this mess. I got a lot of little scrap pieces, some of which I may use for something else coming up. I have some planks, maybe I'm guesstimating I have about, at least 1.5 boxes, maybe 2 boxes of planks left. I got a couple boxes there that are empty. But so I'll reorganize that into 1 or 2 boxes and tape them up and put them aside in case I need them. If we damage one with a machine or something happens, but being a PVC, being a vinyl floor, it's pretty resilient and pretty resistant to, the kinds of things that are going to be here in the shop. 3D printing and working on parts. So it should hold up. It should hold up. But I've got extras if I need.
I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're ever in need of 3D product design, 3D injection mold design, 3D die-cast mold design, or 3D printed prototypes or production parts, please feel free to contact me. You can find contact information in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and to being of service to you. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you on 3D Accuracy's next video.